I'm Mark Tapp, and I'm with Customer Credit Finance.
And I'm Lisa Tapp, also with Customer Credit Finance, and we're here in San Antonio, Texas.
Prior to the CCTG class, I was a corporate executive for many years with a Fortune 50 company as a marketing sales executive. I actually managed an office in San Antonio and Austin. I was one of those individuals that was right-sized and ended up trying a bunch of different things. I actually had done a franchise consulting and had moved around, did some business brokering, and had actually been trying to wear a bunch of different hats, and then had gotten started on trying to build my own finance company, but really didn't know how to go about doing that.
And I was an accountant prior to taking the CCTG class, so worked with a charter school and did that previously for 17 years. And we took the class in April of last year, 2015.
Well, the most recent deal is actually probably going on right now. It's probably in closing. It's just a warranted condo for an investor in Austin, Texas. And she was actually purchasing, as an investor, a property there that her son will be going to University of Texas, and she was wanting to purchase that as an investment property. We've actually got quite a number of properties that are similar to that going on. We're working on a 20-unit multifamily property this month. We've got 2 or 3 hard money loans. We're actually in the process of trying to close another deal this month that is even a ground-up construction on a small medical building, which the loan's probably going to be about $1.5 million.
Our business, since we left the school, is really doing well. Business is coming along, progressing, and when I initially went to the class with Mark, I actually was there as a spectator. I was there as moral support, but quickly saw during the course of the 7 days that there was a lot of opportunity available, and decided to come back and give notice at my job so that I could work with Mark in this.
You know, when we first left, it did take a little bit of time just to get things started, with marketing. And, CCTG is great. They helped you get the website set up, and just, really there's some setup things you need to do. I mentioned a little earlier that, that I had already tried to start a finance business. The challenge that I was really having, quite frankly, is, how do you find lenders? And how do they take you seriously? And I really was having a very difficult time with that. And so once we came back from CCTG, those problems really didn't exist anymore for me. I was able to call lenders, say, hey, I'm a CCTG graduate, and immediately they gave me clout and helped me to progress in the business. And it's taken us over this course of this year to kind of find our place. There was directions that I didn't know that existed. I was really just in a real small space, and now what I found out from the class is that this world of finance is huge. Well, while we were in Albany, New York, in the 7-day training with John and Chris, it was phenomenal. It was actually much more intense than I anticipated, which was a very, very good thing. And we got a lot of information. Not only directly from the lenders, but just some real life scenarios. We did a lot of case studies while we were there. I mean, it was a great learning experience.
Mm-hmm. And we covered a lot of topics during that training also. We went over things that even included marketing, really a focus also on what to do when we left there. So we had a plan of action going home. And the good thing was that we knew that once we got back that we still had John and Chris and the rest of the team there as our support if we had any questions. When
I first came away, I was thinking I had to be a lone ranger on this, and I've learned that really the real success with this business is working with people like John and Chris, and even co-brokering on occasion, it's better to work alongside of folks that have the knowledge than just to walk away from a deal.
Yeah, and building the relationships with the lenders has been critical. So, but they gave us the foot in the door.
CCTG has been, not only were they hands-on while we were there, but after the fact, even like today, is the support's still there. I do talk to John probably every other day, and there's trainings that are going on. Almost seems like weekly. They've got a new online training that you can attend, and they're still introducing us to even new lenders that they continue to bring on. And so the training, it doesn't stop in that 7 days. It's going to continue, and I don't see it discontinuing it. Over my lifetime as a broker, and so I really see that I'm going to be involved with these guys, throughout my career.
Mm-hmm. And the support on the marketing side has been great too. We've had regular contact with Alex, and he's helped us with our website, and still doing edits this long after our class. So it's been great.
This is really what's happened for us, though. It's just been a great experience again, because we wanted to do something together, and so this has afforded us to do that. We've turned our house into an office, and so we're home most of the time. We've got kids, and they see us at home. Our neighbors probably wonder what in the world we do, because our cars don't leave the driveway that often. But it's been very good for us, and even for our marriage. And I think that it's strengthened our marriage, but it's been fun.
I think the CCTG program is good for a partner, whether it's a spouse or it's a brother or a sister or another family member or a friend, because I think it's just good to have that support when you're going in and doing things, and to be able to complement each other in what you do, because not everybody has the same strengths, weaknesses, and it's good to have not only moral support, but also just that extra little bit of roundedness, so that you come together as a team in this business, and I think it just makes us stronger. If this is a career path that you want to take, then it's definitely worth the investment, if for nothing else to help you get your foot in the door when you're going out to talk to lenders. Otherwise, it's very challenging, and you'll probably spend a lot of time just knocking on doors that don't open. But once you come back from this class, it just makes the world of difference between opening doors and then having the support where you can get your questions answered as you're going along and deals are coming.
It's like a college investment. It's making a change with your life. And I would just tell someone that it's really looking at entering the world of finance, you're really. We had bankers in our class that this stunned them, that so many different opportunities were available to them with funding, and continually, even today, I continue to learn more and more and more. And I truly believe if someone's looking for a career change and they're interested in financing, that this is the place to spend your time. Just do it. Just do it. Because you can sit here and you can think about things until you're blue in the face, but until you just do it, nothing's really going to happen for you. So if you're looking for a career change and you're looking for an opportunity, you like the world of finance, this is a great place to land. There's lots of opportunities. You don't have to choose our path, but really just do it.